Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to move objects in Blender. In Blender, we have 3 ways to move objects. I will show the 3 ways in this tutorial. I will make it simple, so I add the cube. So go to Add, Merge, and add the cube here. Close up to View, and then we can select the object and use the first way. We can go to left toolbar. We can find Move tool. Click to show the Gizmo. So we can click and drag the arrow to move. We can click and drag the right arrow to move along x-axis. If we click and drag the green arrow, we can move along y-axis. So we can click and drag the blue arrow to move along z-axis. Actually, we can click and drag the blue square, so we can lock the z direction, so we can move on the xy plane. Same thing, we can click and drag the red square to lock x direction, so we can move on the YZ plane. And then if we confirm it, we can find the move panel at the bottom, so we can find the value to the move. So if we want to make a fine adjustment, we can click and drag, or we can type the value to move it. This is the first way. The second way, we can use the shortcuts. Make sure that we select the object and then press G, so we can move the cursor, we can move freely. If we click the left mouse button, we can confirm it. Same thing, we can find the move panel and then we can adjust the value to move it. Actually, if we select the objects and press G and X, we can move along x-axis. If we press G and Y, we can move along y-axis. Same thing, we can press G and Z, we can move along z-axis. If we want to lock one plane, we can use Shift. So we can use G and Shift X to lock X direction, so we can move on y-z plane. One more thing, if we select the object and press G, X and 2, we can move the object in X direction to 2 units. And then press the left mouse button to confirm it. So we can show we move in X direction to 2 meters. Same thing, we can press G and X and -3 and press enter. We can move the objects to X direction to -3 meters. So this is the second way. The third way, we can go to Objects Property, and then we can find the Transform panel. Same thing, we can press N on the viewport, we can find the transform panel, so we can click and drag to move the objects. And also we can click and drag to select all the value and then press the same value to the X, Y, and Z location. So if we want to move to origin, we can press 0 and press enter to move to origin. So this is the 3 ways to move objects in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.